Alright, what's up? We're back at the Maverick. Finally ordered some WeatherTechs. So we're going to do a little unboxing review. I have WeatherTechs in there already, so hopefully for the Mav, they're just as good. It was between this or Husky, but I think this was cheaper. So,
and this is good too. WeatherTech's who you think of.
WeatherTech's who I already got, and I like them, so I might as well. Alright.
Oh, drop something.
What comes in here? You get this book, product catalog. They think I'm ordering more, like.
You did.
So I got
Black.
They only come in black right now. If you have the gas, it's different than the hybrid, so make sure you specify which one you have. Man, what?
That's so you can take them out and drain them. That's that new.
No, it ain't. This is so it mounts. Alright, so here's these.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about.
The back is one piece. I know they do a bunch of them like this. My car is actually two pieces in the back. I don't know why. But
what are you going to do with her?
Yeah. So I'm guessing they need to take these out.
Let me get in here. You can see the
Oh, there you go.
You going to vacuum this bitch first?
Cool.
Okay, so as you can see, these joints didn't do shit.
Yeah, and then we got.
Them joints didn't do shit.
So the WeatherTechs are molded. I'm sure everybody already knows, but the Maverick has the little pins at the bottom, so they go into these slots. Driver side has 2, passenger side has 1, rear has 0.
You're gonna make an acorn at least.
I'm gonna vacuum this when we get to a gas station. We're about to go on a road trip, so I just want to get these in.
Ooh, the acorn that was under there.
Acorn.
There's a big ass acorn sitting right there.
We just need to line this up. Can't tell if it's lined up. Oh. All right.
Go. Job done.
Man, that's some good fitment.
Look at that. There you go.
Now we got passenger side.
Well, hang on, let me get over there.
It's the same thing, but there's only one clip this time on the passenger. But same exact. I mean, it's not a hard installation.
They can't even see. They don't know what the installation is.
You just slip it in. This is the pin that goes in here. You just gotta find it. And then there's a loud click. You'll know when it's in. Oh, that's good fitment.
And then you're done.
And then
what you gotta do the back? Right, now you got the seats all the way back and shit.
And there's
a bunch of
stuff. We got baby cloths, a dirty diaper, nice, a beach blanket, an angle grinder,
just the critical,
napkins, an umbrella, a paper. We got sliding rails for a drawer, a dog back seat cover, a spare grinder bat, and some napkins. But now
you got to move all the seats back forward.
You think?
You ain't got no room to work. At least the driver's side, that jump's way back. Oh yeah.
Alright, now we should be doing something. So the back seat has The back seat has no floor mats in here, and there's no pins on here, so it should just come.
I'm pretty sure you're backward.
Long way goes under the seat.
Yeah, right. You got a sub here in the way.
Well, let's get it out of the way. It should slide forward a little bit.
No, it hits that jump. Just pick it up. Just have it on top.
It's gonna bend this. laughing at myself. Just gonna get wet.
Y'all won't have this problem.
Yeah.
Unless you have a sub.
This is kind of a unique problem to have. I'm gonna figure it out later. But for right now, I'm just gonna scoot this and not toast my mat. And have somebody sit over. He's gonna just sit behind you. We'll figure it out. But I mean, the fitment's good. All the molds look correct. There's no issues. Like, it's gonna hold all the junk because of this lip. You can see that? Especially the driver and passenger side. That's some good fitment. Come back over here. That looks like it's supposed to be there.
Yeah. That shit look good.
Alright, well, if you want the WeatherTech for yourself, I'm going to link them in the description. And if you want some more accessories for your Maverick, like the light bars on the front, go to findtruck.com. And we'll be back with another vid. We got a bed cover coming on Monday, so that'll probably be our next vid. We'll see you there. So, see you someday.